Hi, welcome back to Cook Like a German. As you can see, we have a nor'easter brewing outside. We will have 24 inches of snow. And today we are talking about our Saarland. That's our 12th state of Germany. And French people gave it back to us in the 50s. And let's see, what do? We do mussels. Mussels. I love mussels. We call them Miesmuscheln in German, the black mussels. And we will do a nice sauce out of miso poivre with some hot peppers in here. You can't see them, but they look like this guy here. And a little bit of white wine, broth, peppercorns, oil, salt. And if you want to see the whole recipe with some white baguette, go to our Wednesday on our channel, Cook Like a German on YouTube.